Hi, hey, hello. This is teacher Aliona. Welcome back to my channel where we are learning most natural English from all over the web and where I help you master your American pronunciation and accent. Today, we're tackling some of the tricky words that even native speakers struggle with. So get ready to impress your friends and colleagues with these tips and tricks. Lego. So I get a lot of DMs from you guys on Instagram and on TikTok with words that you find really problematic to pronounce. So today we're talking about them, guys, and we will practice together. Hope it's gonna be useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So first up, we have two words, literally and rarely. So to nail the word literally, you gotta work on two words, little, rally, a little, rally. Literally. See? The more you practice, the faster you can improve it. So to help you with the word rarely, you gotta ask the question, where is my friend Lee? Where? Lee. And then slightly shifting the W sound into R sound. Rarely. Rarely. It works. Don't forget to say thank you after. Now let's talk about dirty and 30. By the way, your girl is turning dirty 30 next month. So they are very similar, but let's break them down. Dirty. Let's practice the first part as if we were saying sir, but der. Sir, der. And make sure you're making a correct D sound. One of the other words that might help you with the D sound is the word duh. Duh. All the work is done by your tongue because it is placed right at the roof of your mouth where it makes R a little bit rolled and flap T that sounds like D. Dirty. The same about the word 30. It's not very necessary to say th. You can just say th as if it's just sound T but between your teeth. 30. The same way actually Americans say thank you, not thank you, but thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Moving on to can and can't. These are the words that I've explained in this video, but it doesn't hurt to repeat it again, right? So basically can turns to can. Just listen. I can send it, I can call him, I can pick it, but when it comes to can with airburst, we emphasize it much more. I can go, I can call you, I can pick it up. That's the main difference. Now let's talk about these tricky ones. Mountain and certain would also include important into this category. These two words are pronounced without the actual T sound, like as if you were trying to say no. Mountain, certain, important, Manhattan, button. And to practice them all, you can say, I am certain that I've lost my button somewhere in Manhattan or the mountain. That was deliciously good. And last but not least, I will teach you how to say subscribe. You have to literally just say sh instead of s. You have to raise your eyebrows. Subscribe. Why am I teaching this? In terms of regional differences, in different states of the US, words can be pronounced very differently. For example, in northeastern part of the US, the word coffee would be pronounced coffee. The same with the word bag. In Midwest, people say bag. The differences in pronunciation can be sometimes subtle and not noticeable, but as non-native speakers, you guys have to know about them, especially if you travel to the States, you plan to stay there, live there, study there, or you're just a language nerd like I am. Ta-da! You've just mastered some of the trickiest words in American English. So leave a comment below and tell me how many words you've managed to pronounce correctly. If the video was useful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Share it with your friends. It will help to support my channel. One last thing. Be safe, sound, and see you around. Love ya! Mwah!